My name is Mr. Bariko Donu. I'm from River State, Ugoni precisely.
Okay. Could you please tell us your health challenge before you visited BS company to use the quantum healing machine that treat different health challenge, and how long it has been?
Thank you very much. I came here with surplus of ailments, starting from under my foot, burning sensation to my waist, to my head, then high BP, high sugar in my blood, and general body pains. For the first 2 days I used the machine, I can say that I've seen about 50% benefits, because the pains in my legs are going down. The sugar, like yesterday, I did not urinate like I used to do 6-7 times before the break up. Yesterday I used only 2 times. So I'm happy that BS company is doing this marvelous work.
Okay. So how many days did you use the machine?
This was 2 days, 2 sessions. Today is the 3rd day I come here.
Okay. Is that things you are unable to do before now?
Yes, I was unable to wear my trousers for a long time and even shoes.
Okay.
But right now, I tell you, I can wear my shoes with my stockings. Nothing will happen. Before, if I wear my trousers like this, in the next 30 minutes, all over my body, I will get burn, get hotness and all that.
Okay.
Yes, you shared a wonderful testimony regarding your neuropathy. Please, I would like you to tell us how it has been and how you're feeling right now after visiting BS company to use the quantum healing machine that treats without drugs.
Thank you very much. It has been very, very long time ago. My doctor told me that I have a neuropathy pain. So when my leg was having burning sensations. So I told him, what will I do? He said, there is no drugs that can heal it. That what I should do is just to be postponing amputation. That the solution is amputation. So I was like, what will I do to cut my leg? But as Jehovah may have it, I got the information about BS company, and I went there to see how it works. So fortunately they were on promo, so I used the quantum healing machine for 2 days. I started getting the relief that I have not gotten before. And my leg was burning me, and I cannot wear trousers on my leg. I've been wearing only combat knickers, and I cannot spend long time. I cannot even carry it up like this before. But now I am free. Since 2 days now, I can jump, I can hit the ground, do everything with it.
And you also remember that when you came to the office, when we were about using the therapy on you, the quantum healing machine, we saw a socks you were wearing.
Yes.
What do you have to say about that?
The socks was recommended to me that I should use it. So I bought that socks online, 15,000 for 1 pair of socks. That it will stop my neuropathy. For all to go away. I was wearing it all this while.
Are you on it now?
No, I stopped.
Can you show them that you're not wearing any stockings now?
I'm not wearing any socks in any miracle socks.
And you can stomp your foot on the ground now.
I can stomp on the ground. Everything I can.
Wow, can you jump?
I can jump.
Were you able to jump like this before?
No, I was not able to jump. My leg will be hurting me and I cannot jump.
So, are you feeling any hotness now?
No hotness now.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay.
We are so happy to have you. And we are so happy with your beautiful experience with the quantum healing machine.
Thank you.
What do you advise others suffering from neuropathy?
Yes, I will advise everybody that suffers neuropathy to forget about all advice they are giving outside. Come to BS company and just experience what I have experienced.
Wow, so no more amputation now?
No more amputation.
No more amputation?
No more amputation.
We are so happy for you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for this beautiful experience.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So from your experience with the quantum healing machine, what would you advise the audience, those out there?
Yes, I will advise everybody that has any health challenge to come. Moreover, this promo time. Maybe after the promo, you can now grow your interest in going further. But right now, come out and see what others are testifying. You'll be among them.
All right. Thank you very much, sir. We are BS Company. We appreciate your experience with us.